Hey guys and girls, welcome you all from exploreall.com. In this video, I'm going to give a brief introduction to data types and also object-oriented concepts in Java. Okay, so what is an object-oriented class? As you know that Java is an object-oriented programming, right? So whenever you're talking about object-oriented concepts, there are different types. There are class, object, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So, what is a class? A class is a blueprint that defines the attributes and methods. So, when I talked about the examples before, you have seen that I have defined a class called Hello World, and in that I have written some of the methods like display method or main method, like that have written some methods. So class is nothing but a blueprint that defines the attributes and methods. Okay, and next coming to object. What is an object? Object is an instance of a class. So it's nothing but you are writing in that method you are creating an object. How you are going to create an object? With the help of new keyword, right? Suppose if you want a object called person p1 is equal to new person, right? So like this you are going to create an object. And also, what is the instance there? The p1 is the instance. So if you write any methods, if you write a display method, you will be writing the p1 dot display in order to display any your username or something else. So object is nothing but an instance of a class. Okay, so whenever you are going to create an object, that memory is going to be stored in heap, not in stack. Okay, and next coming to abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but hiding a certain details and show only essential details. A best example which I can tell is suppose you are an employee in some company, and you have to define your salary, right? Salary is defined as set salary. By by set salary method, I will define your salary, and I don't want to show that to others public, so I'll just hide that details by using this abstract methods. So in further class I'll be telling about further session I'll be telling about abstraction more clearly. And next is encapsulation. So encapsulation is nothing but binding data and methods together. Okay, you'll be binding these both data and methods together by in encapsulation, and we will discuss more with examples further. And next coming to inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but inherit the features of superclass. Suppose let me take with an example of your a car, Scorpio. You take your Scorpio car, and there will be what this car contains. It contains front seats, back seats, window, mirror, and speakers, brakes, and all. These are nothing but and some of the embedded systems like back mirror and automatic close of doors and all. So what is this? This is nothing but it inherits the features of the Scorpio car, right? So that is what inheritance is. Inheritance is nothing but acquiring the some of the properties of the superclass. Okay, next is polymorphism. Polymorphism is nothing but one name having many different forms. A simple example which I can tell is, suppose you take that you are calculating the area of a square. So area of square is a square, right? And take another object called triangle or rectangle. Take it as a rectangle. So what is that? There your area is length into breadth. So there is only one name, but there are different forms, right? Different methods you can in order to calculate. So L into B is one method, and A square is another method, and there is only one name, that is area. So this is what polymorphism is. One name having many forms is called polymorphism. And next I'm just going with the basic outlines of object oriented concepts, and our next coming sessions I'll be going in detail with an example also. So next, coming to data types. As you know that there are many data types in Java. So as easy way to remember is int is 4 bytes, long int is 8 bytes, float is 8 bytes, and double is 8 float is 4 bytes, sorry, and double is 8 bytes. So these are the common. So int and float are common, that is 4 bytes 4 bytes, and long and double are common, that is 8 bytes 8 bytes. And coming to byte, it is 1 byte, short int is 2 bytes, and character is 2 bytes in Java. Okay, so you'll have minimum value, maximum value, literal values. You can just check out this. And this is about the data types and object oriented classes concept. So stay tuned with explorer.com, and we'll move with other concepts in my next session. Thank you guys, take care.